Welcome to Matri Academy. Let's begin the chapter 16, Gene Regulation. In 1961, Jacob and Monod proposed the operant concept of gene regulation. According to this concept, the activity of a group of structural genes is controlled by three genes known as regulator, promoter, and operator. Jacques Jacob and Jacques Monod gave operant concept in E. coli in 1961. Question asked many times in ICR JRF 2001, 3, ARS Net 1, CSIR June 2002. The operant model consists of promoter, operator, structure, and regulator. ARS Net 2001, ICR JRF 2003. Response elements are those modules which identify specific group of gene. The gene of each group is being under a common control located in promoter or enhancer sequences. Genes which are constitutively expressed in all cell type are known as housekeeping genes. The lac-Z-apron in E. coli is transcribed into polycistronic mRNA in the ratio of Z is to Y is to A is 10 is to 5 is to 2. Gene regulation mediated by an activator is positive regulation. In lac operon in E. coli, lactose inactivates the repressor protein ARS 2007. Allolactose is produced from the lactose under the action of beta-galactosidase, and thus is allolactase act as inducer for beta-galactosidase enzyme in lac operon in E. coli. In lac operon, allolactose acts as gratuitous inducer. In E. coli gene regulation, tryptophan acts as a co-repressor, ARS Net 2001. The function of repressor protein is to bind to operator and thus regulation of gene expression, ICR JRF 2003. In E. coli, lac operants show inducible negative control and tryptophan operants show repressible negative control, IRI 2000 question. In lac operon at the operator site, the repressor protein binds and switches off the operon, ICR JRF 2000 question. Lac operon is negatively induced, ICR JRF 95 and 2000. Site of constitutive mutation in lac operon is lac operator, ICR JRF 95. Lac operon is transcribed when lactose is available, ICR JRF 99. Tryptophan operants show attenuation, ICR JRF 95. Tryptophan operon is an example of divided operon. In arabinose operon, ARA-C protein acts as both activator and repressor. So these are the very quick and important points of the gene regulation I am describing here. So guys, remember these points for your upcoming examination. These are very helpful in IRI, PhD, SRF, ARS, JRF, all the exams related to biotech. So let's tune to my channel. Always like and subscribe. Thank you.